Want to learn how to make a trendy reveal cake like this? Keep watching for more. So as you can see, I've already cut a cavity in the middle of each of my cake layers, and I'm just going ahead and frosting as I usually would, just being careful not to get that frosting in the middle of the cake layers. We're going to be putting sprinkles in the middle of there, and if we get frosting in there, then the sprinkles are just going to stick to that frosting, and you won't get that cascading effect as when you cut the cake. Once we are done filling our layers, before we put that top layer on, I went ahead and made my own sprinkles to put in the middle. And you can see here, I'm pouring it in, and it's a little bit of a mess. But I was so happy that I measured out the perfect amount of sprinkles. Then you want to go ahead and frost your cake as usual. Go ahead and get those sharp edges, do what you need to do. Then we're going to be covering these spheres. Now, this time on the cake, I used styrofoam balls. You can do it with all chocolate. I found that this is more cost efficient. It works really well, and especially this was kind of a last minute cake, and so it worked out really well. In here you can see how I'm covering some of those spheres in gold. This was the final look. I was so happy how this came out, and I'll go ahead and tag where I got this sign in the comments below. And here's the cut.
Oh!